So iSpecimen is a platform company. We set out about 10 years ago to set ourselves up as the preeminent Amazon-like platform company. And by Amazon-like, I mean a marketplace platform. So as a tech-enabled service, we have our platform that sits between the world of medical or life science research on one side and the world of healthcare providers on the other side, and connect those two sides to help the world of research gain access to patients, biospecimens or samples, and data sets that they need to drive R&D. So the problem we solve is one that's been around for a long time, that mostly commercial researchers, but anybody really engaged in life science research, academic research, government research, but in our case, mostly commercial research, pharmaceutical companies, biotechnology companies, diagnostic companies have always needed access to the patients that are either the targets of the products they are trying to develop or the basis for the products they are trying to develop. And what we help these companies and researchers do is gain access to these patients in a much more efficient way than they've been able to do historically. And by gain access, I mean they need to identify, if they're working on lupus, for instance, for a new diagnostic test, they need to identify lupus patients across the globe so that they can get the consent of these patients to obtain samples, blood, plasma, serum, maybe tissue from these patients, and use that material at their bench to drive R&D forward. And something worth noting here, what's made this difficult is, one, it's always been hard to find the patients that you need because there's been no Amazon-like platform to date. But moreover, the data sets that you need information not only about the blood, plasma, or serum that you're collecting, you need information about the characteristics of that patient. And that's what iSpecimen does. We help the world find those patients, get those samples, and get the data sets that they need to describe the subjects they're working on. Marketplace platforms are proliferating across the globe, and we are in the lead position. Marketplaces like iSpecimen that obtain and keep a lead position ahead of other marketplace competitors tend to be winner take most, if not winner take all. And we can look across so many of them, from Amazon to care.com to the travel industry. We're in that position. So why investors should take interest is that we have successfully gotten the company into this lead position, and we are positioned for exponential growth as we harness network effects that grow us. Our essential value proposition, we really make a difficult buying experience easier. We defragment the world of healthcare so that life science researchers that have always and will always need access to patient samples and data can have a much easier go of it and find what they're looking for.